Good morning, everyone. It was a pretty good night overall. One time I woke up and I thought that a skunk had crawled into my sleeping bag. I felt around looking for the skunk, but then I realized it was just me. Then another time I kept waking up and found out that I was being constantly propositioned by my Sawyer squeeze. It's hard to know where to put the Sawyer squeeze in your sleeping bag. Another time I woke up extremely hot. I couldn't get the zipper down on my sleeping bag. I thought I was going to have a panic attack, but I made it through it. Finally got the zipper down. Overall, it was a pretty comfortable night. Looking forward to another day of hiking on the trail. We have 10 or 12 miles today. Should be fun.
Come that way yet.
There's Pam's legs.
Yep.
Look at all of her gadgets.
Yeah. It was actually it was in the pack. It was in a because it's in flat as a top of the house.
Here's the spring water at Derricks Knob Shelter. I got a liter filtered here, and I filtered another 2 liters there. I'll last me most of the day. I can get all this stuff in my arms and filter. By the way, the shelter is pretty much right up above it. Good reason to filter it, but of course filtering it doesn't get rid of viruses, only bacteria. Okay, morning 32. What's today, the 7th of April? Leaving Derricks Knob Shelter, finally. On a cool morning. I wonder where the trail went to. Pay attention here. Well, let me look and see which way the trail went. Well, I seem to have found the correct trail. There's no blazes, no signs, but we do pay $40 to come to the Smokies and hike. Oh, finally a blaze. Okay, so we're off 12 some miles to Mollies Ridge Shelter, and then tomorrow it's pretty much downhill, I think, to the Fontana. Well, this is an interesting section. It's like almost rock climbing on the Appalachian Trail. I guess I didn't quite need a belay.
Here's a nice easy section. You see that mountain in the background. That's called Thunderhead. Looks like that's going to be another whoopee of a climb. It's been a challenging day. Yesterday was pretty easy comparatively, even with the snow and ice yesterday. You can see the pretty flowers everywhere. Oh my God, the last couple miles have been some of the toughest on the trail. Lots of knife edges going straight out, down, and roots to climb up and over. Very, very steep trail, a few switchbacks. I've been told that this part ahead is a little easier because it was very slow hiking there. Mile an hour at best. Whew. At any rate, that's what's ahead. Some downhill. A nice bald section here. Beautiful views. Let's zoom in some. Another great view. Especially over that way. Over there is Klingman's Dome. And over this way, well, there's Montana Lake. So I guess I'm going this direction along those ridges. And then probably out one of those ridges going from high on the right, low on the left is shuck stacked. That'll take us down to Fontana. The views continue going down this bald here. I presume that green area is where I'll be soon. Well, the trail's gotten quite a bit easier. Been on a long, smooth downhill section. Of course, that means there'll be an uphill section afterwards. But I'm making some time. I just stopped at a slight drip off the trail and got 2 liters, or more than 2 liters, 3 liters of water, and took some vitamin I for my headache that was probably caused from dehydration. Anyway, so I'm doing a lot better. Still got miles to go though. Well, coming up on Russell Field Shelter now. How's it going? I made it to camp. Boy, where I'd rather be, but got the tent set up. Already got my ready to eat lasagna all underway here. It was quite a day. So now I have 11.5 miles to go tomorrow to go down off the main ridge down to Fontana. A lot of it's downhill, but I think I have still a 1,600 foot climb to go up something tomorrow. At any rate, I'm looking forward to getting out of the Smokies.